Welcome to this session in which I am discussing practical component of evaluation for your class. So this year the practical marks for statistics course is of 50. These 50 marks are divided into 4. So actual practical examination will be conducted annually for 32 marks. 8 marks are reserved for the case study and 5 marks are reserved for your journal submission, and 5 marks are reserved for oral examination, which will be conducted at the time of practical examination. So what is this examination part? What is you have to appear for practical examination for 32 marks. And in this 32 marks, I will show you the exact list of practicals at the same time which practicals would be there. Now you can see the list of practicals. So there are in all 20 practicals. See, this is practical 1, which is related with data handling using MS Excel. This is practical number 2, which is computations using MS Excel. So practical number 3 is related with diagrammatic and graphical representation. Practical number 4 is related with measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, which is practical number 5. Likewise, in all there are 17 practicals, and the last 3 practicals which are related with case studies. If you see here, so this is 18, 19 and 20. These practicals are related with case study, and this case study is equivalent to 3 practicals. Now I will show you how you have to complete your journal, at the same time how you have to do all your practicals during this academic year. See, the student must complete all experiment using MS Excel. So MS Excel is compulsory for this year. You have to do all your practicals with the help of MS Excel, and at the time of practical examination solve all your examples which were asked in your question paper with the help of MS Excel. So MS Excel should be used at the time of practical examination. See, this is mentioned in your note. Student must complete the entire practical to the satisfaction of the teacher concerned, and also student must produce laboratory journal along with completion certificate signed by head of the department at the time of practical examination. So now you need to understand the case study part. So case study, see, this is just I am highlighting this portion. You can see this is related with your case study portion. So case study means what? So different data sets. See, different data sets from newspaper, internet, magazines may be collected, and student will be asked to use statistical techniques tools which they have learned. So those statistical tools which you have learned in this year, including semester 1 and semester 2. So those statistical tools you have to use in solving the data which you have collected. First you have to collect the data set. The data set should be small, and that can be collected from newspaper, internet, magazines, and you have to employ statistical tools and techniques which you have learned in this academic year. Now you can see the nature of practical examination. So the nature is, see, this is the nature of practical question paper. So in this practical question paper there shall be 4 questions. See, there shall be 4 questions, each of 16 marks. A student has to attempt any 2 questions. So the total number of questions are 4. You have to attempt any 2 questions, and each question carries 16 marks. Therefore your practical examination shall be of 32 marks. 8 marks are related with your journal, so that adds sum up to 40. 5 marks are related with your journal and 5 marks are related with oral examination. Therefore, the total marks for practical examination are 50. Computation should be completed. See, this is mentioned in your note. Practical should be completed using MS Excel and should be demonstrated to examiner. Experiment aim. See, all these things are mentioned here. Experiment aim, formulae, results, etc. should be written on practical answer paper. And also the practical examination is of 4 hours duration. This examination is of 4 hours duration, which includes viva examination and online demonstration. So I hope I can make sure that how the nature of practical examination is there, and hope I see you when the practicals starts. Till then,